Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that I will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They can provide it with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box, but if you can't, you can always use a paper clip to straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So select the device and the tray. There's two of them. They're both located on the left bottom side of the device, so I'll just place it in here, as you can see. So that's the lowest one, and this one contains the SD card tray and SIM tray. Take that, there we go. So if you flip it over, you can see that there is space for SD and SIM. Now the one above, that's the small one, is just a SIM tray. So it takes the small SIM card, as you can see right here, and nothing else. So I'm just gonna put it back in here. So let's get started. Once you take out the tray, place both of the cards on here. There we go. And it's actually nice they're holding in there so they won't fall out. So when you place them in here, you can see how they're placed right now. Make sure that they're also laying flush on here, as you can see, and then you want to slide it back into the device. And there's the SD card, and then there's the pin for the SIM card. Let me just confirm that. So as you can see, SIM card is working and the notification about the SD card is right here, so it's working as well. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.